Rothwell with Unique. I'm going to be doing a super simple, super quick tutorial with the Epic Mascara. I have already done this eye, okay? Before this came along, I was at no hope with my lashes. Look at this. We're talking, they're very light. They practically don't even look like they exist. And look, so I'm gonna show you real quick how to do this. Okay, it is a one-step wonder. Nice, gorgeous one, not the ones that's gonna stab you in the eye. And then that's it, let's do this. We're gonna get real close to the root. I do like a little wiggle flick. One coat. Do y'all see that? One coat. No clumps. I'm getting them real close, real personal with y'all. No clumps. Okay. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes. Need a little mirror for that. Like I said, don't poke yourself in the eye. Luckily, it doesn't have a sharp point, so when you do, not a big deal. Are y'all one of those people that make the funny faces when you do your mascara? Like, I found that I don't open my mouth when I do it. Now going back in, doing a second coat. What I love about it is that it naturally curls your lashes. Really makes you just feel awesome, and you know it's gonna be there. It's not gonna get clumpy on you. You're not gonna have spider eyes, and you can go out the door and do what you gotta do. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you haven't got Epic in your life, comment below Epic so we can get you some. Have a good day.